For the ultimate in t-shirt printing, dye sublimation allows for unique all-over full coverage printing with no color limitations. Today we'll be using an Epson SureColor F6200 dye sublimation printer with Epson Ultrachrome DS inks, along with an Instagraphic Systems Model 1020 heat press. We'll also need white polyester t-shirts, protective liner paper, Epson adhesive textile transfer paper, and a computer loaded with the included Wasatch SoftRip program. At the computer, we'll start by opening the Wasatch SoftRip program. Once open, we'll select the printer and the appropriate imaging configuration. For t-shirts, we'll choose the 720 DS transfer paper adhesive 2-pass mode, and then open an image we want to print. After reviewing the print size, we'll send the job to the printer. The Epson SureColor F6200 printer features the high-resolution Precision Core printhead specifically designed for consistent, long-lasting performance with dye sublimation inks, and the Epson Ultrachrome DS inks meet OEcoTex Class 1 requirements, which means the ink is safe for products intended for close contact by adults, children, and even newborns. At the heat press, we'll put down a sheet of liner paper to prevent any sublimation ink from soiling the silicone pad. Then we'll place the white t-shirt on top of the liner paper and smooth out any wrinkles. Lastly, we'll place the printed transfer paper on top of the t-shirt with the image side down. The print is larger than the t-shirt so that the shirt will be completely covered by the design. Adjust the paper so that it is properly aligned with the shirt. Using a small amount of heat tape will help keep the paper from shifting prior to heat transfer. When ready, begin the heat transfer process. For the heat transfer of the shirt, we will be pressing at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 seconds. The Insta 1020 heat press features a 39.4 inch by 47.2 inch upper platen and reciprocating lower tray system that can operate in manual, semi-automatic, or fully automatic mode for increased productivity. The sleek profile and compact design offer consistent heat and even pressure distribution across the entire platen. And with fast heat recovery, you can expect consistent high-quality results for all of your sublimation printing requirements. Be careful as the paper and t-shirt are very hot. Carefully peel the transfer paper from the shirt to reveal a brilliant full-color print. Starting with the design being printed on transfer paper and finishing with the image being heat transferred to fabric, the result is a vibrant, one-of-a-kind all-over t-shirt. To learn more about the wide range of print applications possible with dye sublimation technology, contact your local dealer or visit us online at proimaging.epson.com.